Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. This is the sky color. It's kind of a blue. So take a look at the box. And this one works, the Google Nest Minis work with YouTube Music as well. So when you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is the Nest Mini. Let's see. So that comes right out. There it is. It's lightweight. So there is a mounting spot, so you can put it on the wall or something like that. And here's the microphone mute switch. So if you don't want it listening all the time, you can turn it off there. And then there's the power adapter. So that comes right out. So in the box, you have the power cord, as well as the Get Started guide. So the first thing you're going to need to do is connect the power adapter to your Google Nest Mini. Second, you're going to download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then follow the on-screen steps to finish the setup. And after the setup is complete, you're just going to start with Hey Google, and there are some of the things you can ask it to do. And it has touch controls, so there's the mic switch. And then you can tap the left side for volume down, the right side for volume up, and you can tap in the center to play and pause your music. And there is also a card about privacy, just letting you know that you can turn off the microphone. So here's the power cord. It's just little things holding it together here. They're kind of like clamps. They just pop right open. So you plug the power cord right in here.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So here's the Google Home app. It says welcome to home. Your content and devices all in one place. And then it's going to ask for location access and turn on Bluetooth. And it's going to look for devices. And it says a Nest Mini is found. We'll set that up. And it asks if we heard the sound. Yes. And then agree to their legal terms. You can take time to look through that if you want. And we'll press agree. Help improve Nest Mini. Automatically share device stats and crash reports with Google to improve everyone's experience. And it's going to ask where the device will be. And I'm going to press bedroom. And then you're going to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So then you're going to continue through the app to set up your device. And then it's going to ask you to set up voice recognition. So it will ask you to say a few phrases so it can get to know your voice. And then it's going to ask you if you want to save your audio. And then you can pick what you want to do with it, and you can set up your default music services. Okay, so once you finish the setup in the app, it will be ready to go, so we can play some music now. Hey Google, play music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
So now everything's set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching and have a great day.